Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to print a web page in Microsoft Edge. I show you guys how to do that. All you have to do is open up Edge and you just need to press in Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. At the same time, open up print screen. On left side now you can adjust the print settings. Just need to select the copies you want it and layout, portrait or landscape. Select by your preferences and color you want it white or black. Just need to select it, and after selecting it, select print and it will be print, guys. Select the drop down and select your printer before that. And another way to open the print screen, you just need to select this three dot icon and select print option. Now it will be open up the print screen, guys. That's how you open a print screen on your web page. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.